Hello. To activate your alarm, please press the on button on your remote. One beep and your alarm is activated. Press the off button, you will hear two beeps and your alarm is deactivated. If the LED turns green just after, it means that the command has been accepted. As a reminder, buttons 1 and 2 on your remote can be configured to control alarm zones or automation products. For example, a gate or an outdoor light. Do not hesitate to contact your installer for further information. Your Tixel Plus alarm enables a surveillance activation per zone. For example, windows and doors. If, for example, you would like to activate Zone 1, press the 1 button followed by the on button. If you would like to deactivate Zone 1, press the 1 button, then the off button. You can also activate and deactivate your alarm with your touchscreen keypad. You need to switch on your display, enter your 6-digit access code, then press on. The siren will beep to confirm. The screen will then display the activation. To activate an alarm zone with your touchscreen keypad, you need to switch on the display. Then, enter your code and confirm by pressing OK. The display will indicate the status of the alarm. Using the arrows, select your zone, then press on. The screen will then display the activation. Your alarm is reliable and has been installed by a professional, but for more certainty, you may want to test it, for example before leaving on holiday. We are going to explain how to test the motion and opening detectors. We will begin with a motion detector test. Currently, the exit delay is 90 seconds. Activate your alarm with the touchscreen keypad or a remote, then exit the room. During a test, it is important not to be in the detection field of a detector. For the test, the detector will take 2 minutes to initialize. A beep will sound at the end of your exit time delay. Wait 30 seconds to complete the 2 minutes. You notice once the alarm was deactivated, the siren produced a long series of beeps after the usual 2 beeps. This information can now be read on your touch screen keypad. You need to switch on your display, then enter your code and press OK. Your screen displays the warning signal. Press the info button to read it. An unacknowledged event is signaled. Press OK to view the details. Press clear to delete this fault. Your touchscreen keypad enables you to view all information. For example, a window or door still open when you leave. If necessary, you can activate the alarm despite an opening. It is called forced activation. To do this, confirm the command twice in less than 10 seconds. 1 beep and your alarm is activated. Now, repeat the process with a remote. When pressing on once, your siren indicates an opening with a series of beeps. Another press and 1 beep will sound. Your alarm is now activated. So, as before, at the end of your exit delay, there is 1 confirmation beep. The beeps you hear are a warning of a delayed detection. In this case, it means that the door opening detector is delayed. So you have an adjustable delay from 5 to 45 seconds to deactivate the alarm. After this delay, the siren will sound. Please note, in any case, an immediate detector will remain a priority. Goodbye.